We will be talking about how to install your labels, roll of labels, into our THC Ultra Industrial Printer. Once you open up the lid, you will have the spindle guide here. Go ahead and push that forward and flip it down. Put your roll of labels in the back. There will be some arrows showing you the path of the label. Go ahead and pull the guide back and push it in so it can hold the roll. Not too tight. Give it a little bit slack. Pull your label forward. Follow the arrows. You want to go underneath the black roller bars. And right in between, if you look from the front of the printer, you will see a black bar. That's your gap sensor. There is a little triangle on that black bar. You can actually pull that black bar in and out with a tab underneath the printer. Just make sure that black triangle is somewhere in the center of the labels. Go ahead and pull your label forward. Underneath the two guides, there will be a clear guide and a green guide that you can actually move. The green guide you can. So just make sure the label width is about the same underneath the guides, and pull your label forward. With your ink installed, go ahead and push down the print head, and when you hear a click, you're all ready to go. Next video will show you how to calibrate the labels.